Alright guys, Tuesday morning work. Round each number to the nearest 10 and 100, so we know that 27 rounds to 30 when rounded to the nearest 10. It rounds to 0 when rounded to the nearest 100. 451 rounds to 450 and 500. 817 rounds to 820 and down to 800. Find the sum of 7,388 and 829, so that means we're going to add. So we will stack up 829, and we know that 8 plus 9 is 17. Write the 7, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 2 is 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 7 is 8 with the comma. And then we're going to go bottoms up to check minus 829. 7 minus 9 we cannot do, so we're going to go next door, make that a 0. 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Can't do 0 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Can't do 1 minus 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. And bring down the 7. So we match up there. Lindsay planted 5 carrot plants in her garden. She grew a total of 30 carrots, so we know our total. If each carrot plant grew the same amount, how many carrots do each plant produce? So we're going to do 30, so we already have our total, but we have each, divided by 5 equals 6, because we know that 6 times 5 equals 30. Find the quotient. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 64 divided by 8 is 8. 49 divided by 7 is 7. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. And the area of the figure, we can go through and count each box, or we can slice it up a little bit. So I'm going to go there and there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and that equals 30. On this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 across times 1, 2, 3 down equals 12. And then right here we just have 1. So we will add 30 plus 12, which equals 42, and then plus the 1 equals 43 square units. And if you want to check for sure, you can come through and label all of the boxes to make sure that you have 43. Are both shapes quadrilaterals? We talked last week about how quad means 4. So you can see this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, but this shape has 1, 2, 3. So why or why not? No, the second shape is a triangle, and I'm just going to put equals triangle. Partition or cut each shape into 3 equal pieces. So for the circle, we talked about putting a clock dot there in the middle, going straight up, and then our triangle legs. And then for the rectangle, you can do a couple different ways. Remember, I kind of put that placement dot right there, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, so that way they're mostly equal. I know that this side is a little bit smaller. Or you could go horizontally to where you have 3 pieces going that direction. But that is the only way that you're going to be able to cut a rectangle into equal parts, in 3 equal parts. You can't do it like a plus sign, like a window, or with any sort of diagonals, because the pieces would not be the same. We started this last part yesterday, so we're going to do the Tuesday section. It says label each piece with a fraction. So we're going to put 0, whoops, not halves, because yesterday we made sure to check. It's 4 equal pieces, so 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3/4 and equals 4/4. And this bottom number line is in 8 equal pieces, so 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and the 1 whole equals 8/8. And that's it for today.